My vision for agri-food systems is based on innovation. The Mediterranean, some of the countries where there is a lot of advancement which are going on research and innovation for the agri-food systems. We need to adapt to a shifting condition, to new social condition, to new economic condition, even at the global level where there is a lot of disruption. My vision is that by cooperating together, all the countries, through research and innovation, we can adapt our agriculture and create lots of new opportunities for the smallholders, for the farmers, and for the educators, for bringing agri-food system to the future. The Mediterranean is going a double crisis, if I may, something that we need to put together in the same basket. From one side, you have the huge impact of climate change. This is one of the regions in the world which is most impacted by climate change. So we need to adapt the way that we do our food, the way we do our energy to adapt to this climate crisis. On the other hand, we have a huge population, more than 30 million university students in the Euro-Mediterranean region, which is the best resource that we can adapt, we can exploit for transitioning the region. So if we put together all this huge youth potential, which is hungry for knowledge and skills, and they want to lead this transition with our environmental challenge, if we put this together, we can really tackle most of the problems we have in our Mediterranean region.